Hello, today I will discuss about subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Now, what is subject and verb in the sentence? How to identify subject and verb in the sentence? What exactly is subject verb agreement? Basic rules surrounding it. Let us start. Subject. At first, I want to discuss about this person, place, thing, or idea that is doing or being something. Verb. Action performed by the subject or state of being. Example: Ajay plays cricket regularly. It is plays is a verb. Ajay is subject because who is performing action? Ajay is performing action. What is subject is performing? Subject is performing cricket, playing cricket. So, what do you come to know? Who is performing action? It is called subject. What subject is performing? It is called verb. Now, based on point of view, first person I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it, they. And these are also called subject. Sometimes we are not using noun, but sometimes we are using these pronouns based on singular and plural number. Means the person depends on singular and plural number. So these are also very important part of verb agreement. Now see how we are using these kind of things in a subject verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. It is very important. Now see how the singular subject means singular verb. Plural subject means plural verb. But still there are some other options also that we will discuss later on. Here see subject while you are using singular subject, then singular verb when subject is in third person. Now subject is singular. That monkey eats banana. Here eats we are using as a singular noun, sorry, verb. This car goes fast. Here goes is also using for singular verb. It is used. Now see subject is plural. If I am saying those monkeys, then we cannot write eats banana. We write eat banana because it is plural. When we are using plural, then plural will come. Those. Now these cars go fast. Here also plural is here. Then we are using plural verb also. Now what do you come to know? That for making a sentence, what you have to do? When subject is in a third person, then singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Okay? Now subject is not in a third person. I read newspaper regularly. Here read is plural and I is singular. We read newspaper regularly. Here we is plural but read is also plural. Okay? It is not reads, it is read. So it is plural. Means there are also some options. There are some important rules related to the subject verb agreement. Those rules, now see, let us revise it. Firstly, what is performing action? it is called subject. What is subject is performing, it is called verb. Means subject verb agreement. Now see another thing very important. When subject is in a third person, then what you do? The subject is singular, then what you are using? Singular verb. But in some cases we are using what? Thank you.